Today we're cooking the Greek lasagna pastitsio.
Slice them up, 1 small garlic, dice them up, 1 large onion, 1 bunch parsley, and chop them up. Couple tablespoons olive oil, onions, put the garlic also, mix them up on high heat until the onions going clear. Put roughly 1 kilo beef mincemeat, put 1 cup red wine, a little bit for me. When the wine is finished, put 2 tins tomato, half a teaspoon white pepper, half a teaspoon oregano, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 tablespoon salt, half a teaspoon nutmeg, a little bit fresh thyme, and put a couple bay leaves. Put the parsley inside, mix them up, and turn it down the heat. Simmer for roughly 10 minutes, and cook the pasta. 1 teaspoon salt. When it's nice and soft, take them out. Turn them off the heat, take them out the bay leaves. Don't be a gifto, eat pastitsio. Grate them up, roughly 300 grams. Crack them up 2 eggs, separate the yolk. Bechamel sauce, 150 grams butter. Now melt the butter, 1 cup plain flour. Slowly mix and add. Add the milk, little bit by little bit, and mixing good. Put the 2 egg yolks, another half a teaspoon nutmeg. Mix in. When you see the bubbles, you know it's ready. Put the pasta inside the dish, egg whites on top, small block feta, crush them up, 1 good handful of the cheese, mix them up nice, put the meat on top. Put it in the oven.
It's bloody beautiful, mate.